Unlocking your Android bootloader in just 2 minutes? Yes, it's possible. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it the right way. Step 1. Tool setup. First, install the unlocking tool and make sure your PC is connected to the internet. This is important because the tool needs to verify online. Important warning, unlocking the bootloader will erase all your data, so please take a full backup of your contacts, photos, and important files before proceeding. Bonus line, if you want this tool, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. I'll send it to you directly. Step 2. Boot to Fastboot. Now, power off your phone completely. Then press and hold volume down plus power button to enter Fastboot mode. Step 3. Connect to PC. Use a good quality USB cable and connect your phone to your PC. Wait a few seconds for your device to be detected. Step 4. Brand and model selection. In the tool, select your mobile brand. I'm using Redmi Note 8 from Xiaomi, so I'll select Xiaomi, then choose Redmi Note 8 from the model list. Step 5. Check connection. Now go to the Fastboot section and click Read Info. If your phone is connected correctly, you'll see its details like model number and bootloader status. Step 6. Unlock bootloader. Click on Unlock bootloader. In my case, I already unlocked bootloader, so I don't need to do it again. If prompted on your phone, use the volume buttons to confirm. The process will begin and your phone will reboot automatically. And that's it. Your bootloader is now unlocked. If this helped you, like, share, and drop a comment. Want the tool? Comment below and I'll send it your way.